Hello. In this video, I will be explaining a reporting stockholders' equity problem that you might find in your Accounting 2 class. By using the following accounts and balances, I will be showing you how to prepare the stockholders' equity section of the balance sheet. For this problem, 200 shares of common stock are authorized and 5,000 shares have been reacquired. The common stock $3 par account is at $270,000. The paid-in capital from sale of treasury stock account is at $62,000. The paid-in capital in excess of par common stock account is at $1,196,000. The retained earnings account is at $7,430,000. And the treasury stock account is at $230,000. So you have the stockholders' equity section on the balance sheet, and within this you have the paid-in capital section. The first account in this section is the common stock $3 par account. By looking at the information already given to us, we know that the value of this account is $270,000. From this balance, we know that while 200,000 shares of stock have been authorized, only 90,000 shares have been issued. We can find this by dividing $270,000 by the par amount of $3, which comes out to 90,000 shares. The next account is the excess over par account, and the excess is the amount the market price adds to the par value. From the information given, we know that the balance of the excess of par account is at $1,196,000. The next account up is the paid-in capital common stock account, and its balance is found by adding the values of the common stock $3 par account and the excess over par account together. In this case, we would add $270,000 to $1,196,000, which comes out to $1,466,000. The last account in this section is the from sale of treasury stock account, and from the information given, we know that the balance on this account is $62,000. Next, we add $62,000 to $1,466,000 to find the total paid-in capital balance, which in this problem comes out to $1,528,000. Underneath the total paid-in capital, you have the retained earnings account, and from the information given, we know that the balance of this account is $7,430,000. Underneath this is the treasury stock account, and we have also been given the balance of this account, and it is $230,000. However, this balance is negative, as some form of debt is always used to pay for the stock that is reacquired into the treasury stock account. Because of this, an entry that diminishes equity is required. Therefore, in this case, the balance of the treasury stock account is negative $230,000. From here, we can finally find the total stockholders' equity by adding $1,528,000 and $7,430,000 together, and then subtracting $230,000 from that sum, which comes out to $8,728,000. And there you have it. That is how you prepare the stockholders' equity section of the balance sheet for a very simple and easy Accounting 2 problem. Thank you all for watching, and have a wonderful day.